So here's the tea. I'm lacking inspiration, what can I say? Everything that's been done has been done before. Me and my crackhead brain have decided to go on a hike at sunrise.
Instant regret.
Survival kit. Flashlight. Batteries. Snacks. More snacks. Sweater. Probably be cold. Why is it happening? The one thing I hate most about YouTubers is them explaining the crap out of their video before you even get to watch it. So I'm not gonna do that. Enjoy the video. Ew. I look rough. But anyway, it's not about how I look. It's about what I'm about to do. I know. Am I slightly crazy? Yes. Let's go on an adventure. What the fuck is wrong with right? Apple has betrayed me. I feel attacked. Guys, I'm sweating. It's a race. Will the sun rise first? Or will it be me? We'll see. We'll see.
So at this point I was running. That's why my face is so red in a minute. Because I was not gonna let the sun defeat me. After all, I did wake up at 3:45. So, yeah. Defeat was never an option.
And you thought we were done. No. Just taking a breather. But there's another hill, so let's get cracking.
I apologize for the shakiness, but at this point I thought I was gonna faint.
I did it. I fucking did it. Now I'm the only one here.
Raspberry seeds stuck in between your baby teeth. Blueberry juice staining your tulip cheeks. A baby's first step, holding on to my tulip. And I was only 21, your mother was only 18.
Well, I did it.
We all know you did it, shut
I'm
up.
actually so proud that I woke up at like 3:45. There's nothing better than to be the first one to see the world wake up. I'm the only one here to enjoy this beautiful view, so if you want to do something, it's a long fucking train. It's really important to do things for yourself. Just do it, you know, don't wait, because life is now. Ew, am I a motivational speaker now? Enjoy the view, enjoy the video. Hope everyone's well. Yeah. Look at my red face.
I successfully won the race. It felt like the world was ending, like those movies, you know, 2012. Oh wait, hahaha, 2020. Why haven't they made a movie about that yet? Because the world's falling apart. But anyway, here's a little cute montage. Yeah, okay, bye.
Night night.